All right, what's up, crew? Let's get this thing started. All right. We got 745, 746. All right, we are donating these sexy birds. One red, one blue foil, plus a brand new sticker sheet. Pretty awesome. And we got 25 spots. And you guys are about to battle it out.
Peace out, Papa.
So, we got Jeremy and Mr. Hernandez. Good luck, gentlemen. There's 25 spots. I'm gonna show PayPal. Boom, 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 right there. Top two. Good to go. Let me hit refresh a couple times. One more. One more for good measure. All right, see where we are secure. Got 25 spots. Good luck, guys, and here we go.
I bet you have 25 points.
All right, lucky number 4. Number 4 is the winner.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put winner.
And J.
All right, we got a winner, 747. 747. All right, congratulations. We have a winner. We had a lucky number 4. Number 4 was the winner. And that is 4, Jeremy. Congratulations, Mr. Clark. That will be ready and available at Ideal. Thanks, guys, for playing. Stay tuned for the next coming raffles that we'll be running tonight and tomorrow. Done. All right. So I got 747, 747. Good night, guys.